I made you something. Well, it's actually for me. I made this. I put it in the fridge for like a day. It's like stuck to it. I can't. It's hard. Oh. Oh. Finally. Oh. She could do it by herself. Good. Oh my god. Two people. Yeah. Olivia, do you want to try though? Obesio, go. You're cute.
She's cute. Da 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 da.
No. No diabetes. Is it good?
Mhm.
I'm gonna try something. No, I'm just kidding. Da, 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 da. Oh my god. And for your information, she's 8 months. Yeah. Alright. You could go. You could go play in your little walking thingy. Oh, I'm curious. Good job, little baby. Come on. Yo, come to me. Yo, come on. Olivia, you don't need to help the baby all the time, okay? She can do it.